Hey guys, today we'll be screening Sherwin-Williams, SHW, a paint and coating manufacturing company. Guys, I'm just going to skip to my summary part because I don't get this stuff. Look at this, guys. My summary. This is easily overvalued. This is severely overvalued. This is an aristocrat stock we denied looking further into as it failed to pass our first metric. I guess I was right passing on this one. Look at this. It's unclear to me that people still buy this stock. I mean, okay, I get it. Go pay premium for it. Revenues are growing. But is it really 3.83? Guys, come on. Or are you buying this for the dividends? You're betting that they continue increasing their dividends as time goes by. This has priced in a lot of growth already, like years of growth. It's surprising that they bought back 20 million shares in the last 5 years. Look at this. 28 to 26. To me, that's just inefficient. Or maybe I just don't get it. Maybe Apple, Microsoft, Google makes more sense. Trading less than 2 times their margins and this 4 times. Maybe I don't know this market. There's something in here that I maybe I just don't get. Is it the compounding effect of the dividends? Guys, it's not like I hate high PEs, but I have Visa in my portfolio, and that's trading at high PEs, guys. It's about paying the stock at the right price. Value investing doesn't mean cheap. It means buying stocks at reasonable prices. There's really this area in the stock market where a lot of stocks are just overvalued. And it's just surprising to me to discover that it's not only happening in the tech sector. I thought there's only a tech bubble, EV bubble, semis bubble. But I guess there's also this dividend bubble. The compounding effects of dividends. They would rather add and hold and kind of forget the whole valuation thing. Well, at least the stock still finds buyers to push these prices higher. Guys, if you're new to investing, you're new to the stock market, please avoid this stock until their fundamentals get better, their EPS finally catches up, or when people finally realize that, hey guys, this is overvalued. I should sell now and move my money elsewhere. Guys, I want to see how this market reacts when they disappoint earnings. Like continuously, like for maybe 3 quarters. I want to know how the investors in this market would react to that news. Maybe they'll add up more, or maybe they'll sell, I don't know. I want this stock to trade sideways to take out some of the investors. For very little shares, guys, the EPS should be higher by now. Look at this. They have 260 million shares. And they still have an EPS of 7. It should be at 10s right now. Maybe we can justify the high PE by this. Maybe they don't have a decent competition. Maybe it's a monopoly that people will always buy this. Hey, there's no competition. Why buy other else? I just buy this. This is a monopoly. Maybe the company's revenues are expected to grow 30%, 60% 5 years from now. Or maybe this is hyped by dividend YouTubers. Or maybe, just maybe, you actually love the company. That no matter how expensive it is, you'll always buy it anytime. I really can pinpoint the catalyst of 4 times margin. Maybe I don't have the faintest idea how retail stocks or low margin stocks really should trade, because guys, this always happens with this single digit profit margin stocks. Again, by these metrics, the stock is overvalued. If you believe in this process, you would stay away from this and protect you and your money. If you're in it early, stay with it. Stay with it. Stay for the dividends. Stay for your gains. Don't get me wrong. This stock could still be trading at overvalued prices for years. It doesn't have to stop trading at overvalued, guys, just because it's overvalued now. It could go on forever. And maybe I'll just miss out on those lovely dividends, compounding power, and maybe higher than normal returns. I'd risk losing those, guys, rather than being a bag holder once I buy the stock. I respect this process, and I take pride if my process in picking is correct. This stock, easily in my avoid list.